How to fix call failed on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get your calls working again. First, check your signal strength at the top of your screen. If you have little to no bars, move to an area with better coverage and try again. After that, open the Settings app and tap on Connections. From there, tap on Mobile Networks and then tap on Network Mode. At this point, switch it to LTE or 5G preferred to make sure your device is latching onto the strongest available network band. In the next step, go back to Connections and toggle airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then switch it back off to reset your network connection. Following this, if calls are still failing, open the phone app and make sure you haven't accidentally blocked the number you're trying to reach by going into the call settings and checking your blocked list. Once done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device. From here, if the issue continues, go back to Settings, tap on General Management, then Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings to clear any network configuration problems. Finally, if none of these steps resolve it, your SIM card may be the culprit. Power off your device, remove the SIM, reinsert it firmly, and power back on. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the call failed issue on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.